What is reasonable to ask for in a divorce? Hello everybody, my name is Daniel WIAFE and I am the owner of Vegas Divorce Pros out here in beautiful and sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. We are not attorneys and we cannot give you legal advice. We are registered by the state to prepare your divorce papers and annulment papers and all that other good stuff. If you are needing a divorce or if you have questions on a divorce, you know where to go. Go to that link that's right below my finger to vegasdivorcepros.com, vegasdivorcepros.com. You can also find the link in the description of this video. If you are on Facebook or YouTube, you can go ahead and ask us questions there. All right, get your free 15-minute phone consultation with us. Okay, but anyways, let's go ahead and answer that question. What is reasonable for you to ask for in a divorce? Okay, now look, I was actually going to record two videos. All right, one video was going to be dedicated towards what women should ask for, or what is reasonable for a woman to ask for in a divorce, and then the other one was going to be what is reasonable for men to ask for in a divorce, right? And then I said to myself, hey, look, Daniel, it's 2021. Let's not be sexist, okay? So really, if you're looking at what is reasonable to ask for in a divorce, right, it should be the same thing across genders, right? So look, let's go ahead and break that down one by one, okay, real quickly. This is not gonna be a long video, all right? Number one, the one thing that is reasonable to ask for in a divorce is if you do have minor children together, it is, in my opinion, again, this is not legal advice, because we're not attorneys, but it is reasonable to ask for joint legal custody, okay? Joint legal custody. That means that you still have the right to make decisions in regards to your kids' well-being, their medical, their schooling, religious upbringing, whether they move out of state, and you're able to make decisions in a legal matter that is concerning your minor child, okay? Now, just because you guys get divorced or just because the other person has your child or your kids for the majority of the time does not mean, in my opinion, that you should give up every single right to make a decision on your child's well-being and upbringing, okay? Because they're your child, right? So you should, in my opinion, seek to have at least joint legal custody, all right? So that's one thing which is reasonable for you to ask for, okay? And again, legal custody is much different from physical custody. Physical custody really denotes who has the child or the kids the majority of the time, okay? So legal custody is different from physical custody, all right? If you have questions on that, you can ask us at this link that's right below my finger, okay? Next thing is what is reasonable to ask for in a divorce? Cars and houses, okay? Specifically, let's talk about vehicles, okay? If you're driving a vehicle and your spouse is driving a vehicle, okay? Let's say one person bought both two vehicles, right? But the wife is driving one vehicle and the husband's driving the other vehicle, right? Let the husband keep the vehicle that he's driving, let the wife keep the vehicle that she's driving, okay? If the husband bought the vehicle in his name, in using his credit, right, or using his loan that he attained, and the wife was paying on it, then the wife should continue paying on it, right? But if the husband bought it for his wife as a gift and he was paying on the car, then in my opinion, don't be a D-bag, okay? Continue paying on the piece of property that you got as a gift for your spouse, okay? That's just my opinion, all right? Beyond that, you guys, if both parties are working, you guys, I'm of the inclination, you guys, that you shouldn't try to pretty much pilfer the other person for all their finances, okay? So if you're both working, you guys, you keep your money, have her keep her money, do what's fair, okay? Don't do anything that's shady or under the bridge or any of that nature, okay? Try to be equitable, okay? Even though things may have been bad between the two of you guys, even though there may be hurt feelings or bad emotions between the two of you guys, that's not the time for you to try to punish your soon-to-be ex-spouse, okay? So don't try to screw them over. Don't try and tell them I'm gonna get you for $5,000 a month spousal support, or I'm going to take all of your 401k or your retirement plan, okay? Try to be equitable, you guys, and fair, okay? Even if there are hurt feelings, because at the end of the day, what goes around does come around, all right? So I hope this helps somebody. Again, Daniel WIAFE, if you are needing help on a divorce, annulment, legal separation, make sure you go to this link that's right below my video, finger, VegasDivorcePros.com, VegasDivorcePros.com. We will give you a free 15-minute phone consultation. Just call or text us at the phone number that is on the website when you go there. All right. Peace and God bless you guys.